Hey everyone, picked up this watch recently. It's a knockoff of, well, I'm not exactly sure how you say it, Breitling? Breitling? No idea. It's a knockoff anyway. Apparently it's supposed to be a really expensive watch, but being it's a knockoff, it is, I don't know what the value of it is, but it can't be too much. It's got a weird back on it. It's not like the typical back for taking off batteries. Because if it was, I could use this tool here. But it doesn't have the notches. It's got like shaped like a stop sign. It's like an octagon, but I think it's not eight-sided. I think it's 12-sided. So it's pretty narrow. The edges are pretty narrow. So I don't know exactly what success I'm going to have today, but I'm going to remove the strap here. Hope you can see that. I guess you can. I'm trying to look at it with my spectacles on. This little pin here that got to be pushed down. Once that's released, there's the pin. Save that pin, put that to one side. And now we have the back exposed. Now, you can see that I've been having a hell of a time getting this back off. I basically got the thing scratched up. I pretty well got every tool but the proper tool, I guess. I don't know. So to that end, I am going to use, I don't have a rubber ball, so I just got a piece of bike tire tube I should say, and I'm going to fold it as many times as I can. There we go. Got a rubber glove on here. I brought an extra glove in case I could use it on the other hand. Maybe I should put it on. And I'm going to try and remove this back. Of course it goes counterclockwise. And I'm going to use this rubber as friction to try to remove the back, and I don't want to push too hard on the lens here. So I'm going to try to keep it flat, and I'm going to see if this is going to work. Never budged. It didn't budge a bit. Let's try it again. Trying to keep it in shot here. Never budged a bit. I'm at a loss as to what to do with this. These are the culprits. The reason why this is all stretched up. I've used a set of bigger pliers that actually goes nice and flat on each one of these ridges. It still slips. I've used a pair of, I've used a thumb wrench, adjust it very delicately on either end, try to turn it, no go. I don't know if there's a tool out there for this specific watch. So I'm at a loss, and I'm really just kind of debating whether I really want to put up this video or what. I'm not having no success at all in getting the back off. The battery's dead, and you can't take the back off. You can't replace the battery. You can't replace the battery. You can't wear the watch. Or you could wear the watch, but try one more time. I mean, this is bike tube rubber, and not budging. So I turn to YouTube once again. I bought, like I said, I bought the kit for unscrewing the backs, and of course some of them, you know, just pop off. You just need to put a blade on them and pop them open. What do you do with this? I could bring it down to a jewelry shop, and I guess they could probably remove it. Maybe that's what I'll have to do. But gee, I thought, you know, watches like this were at least half set up for the ability to be maintained by the owner. So I don't know. What do you think, YouTubers? I mean, I could bring this down and get somebody to spot weld a bolt onto it or something onto it to turn it off, or weld a wing nut onto it. I mean, you know, that's just totally ridiculous. And I mean, you know, it's a battery. It's a watch that's only been used till the battery went dead, and then they couldn't change the battery. And I guess they couldn't get the back off. Now, the back wasn't scratched up or anything, but I certainly got it scratched up. I did some beautiful damage to this $4,000 watch. Moved the decimal points a couple points over. $40 watch. Anybody got any suggestions? I don't know. It's a real heavy watch, so it's not a watch that I'm really going to want to be wearing a lot. It's pretty cool. I'd just like to get it running. If you want to chime in and let me know what I can do, but I mean, you know, I've thought this through, and other than bringing it to a jeweler, I don't know what else to do. Anyway, thanks for watching.